The Metro logo means the story of Travis takes us to the Washington Metro, as usual. The Story of Trains, a series about people and trains. Hello, guy. I'm Thomas, the E2 tank engine. Today, us trains ride the Metro to the autism ward. And not only did we see Elizabeth, but us trains see two familiar faces.
They look familiar.
So come see what happened during a train episode, will ya?
I am Train the Melon, and I present to all of you the story of trains.
Time to vent to the autism walk on the Washington Metro. One day, all the reboot engines were sleeping when Stuart and Thomas arrived.
Hey, son, time to wake up. Sons.
You forgot you have lots of sons. Which of your normal sons? That's easy. It's the two Amtrak units and the regular one.
What? Wait, what's going on?
Wait, what time is it? Did y'all forget what we're doing today?
I think we forgot.
Today, we ride the Metro to the autism walk. Oh, the Metro! Now I remember. Oh, son. Wake up, y'all rainbows. Y'all know what we're doing today. What? Actually, I don't know what we're doing today. The Metro! Oh, all right, the Metro. Metro to where? The autism walk, silly. It's gonna be our first autism walk ever. In Washington, D.C. Oh, yeah. I'm all excited for this walk. I'm all charged up to ride the Metro.
Then
What's an autism walk?
give me money.
What's a Metro?
Give me money, Thomas.
Is that a system or something? Oh, the Metro system? It's a system. It's a system that runs in 3 states.
What?
Maryland, D.C., and Virginia.
It says we're going to Metro.
It consisted of 6 lines. Oh, so that's what a Metro is. We get it now. I heard that Randy Elizabeth might come. We send the air, Tyra. So, it'll be great to see them two again. That's right, trains. Randy and Elizabeth are coming. My best friend Elizabeth, my best friend, as you all know. But the ones who don't know, like Bruno, yeah. So we should all get ready. Come on, trains, to the Metro station, Morgan Boulevard. In Hyattville, Maryland. Next stop. That must be the entrance or something. You know who this is?
Oh, whatever.
It's Elizabeth. I don't need introductions again. Wow. Whoa. Hold the cell phone. I'm really holding my phone. No. Look at these. They're different. Well, they're probably new, so yeah. Ooh, a silver train. But not the 7,000. Ooh, there's a train approaching. Ah, good, the train's here. 6,000 series, Silver Line train. All aboard! And there goes that train.
You know what we're gonna do?
What?
What's up?
Obviously. Open sesame.
Step
That.
I want the window.
Please move to the center.
792 Willie Rush, the next station, Hampton Road.
Good to be back on Metro.
Step back for enclosing.
Wow, we might be in DC. I saw the White House in the distance.
Where's the White House?
I think I saw it too.
Where is it?
And I kept checking because I was like, oh,
I think I missed it.
Oh wait, yeah, I think I know where we are. On the other side.
And we're about to. Well, we're not. We are in DC, not fully in DC yet. But we're about to be in DC more. And we're gonna meet for your time. Because the next stop is Stadium Armory Station.
Okay, so
Stadium Armory Station. Stadium Armory Station. We first transfer services to the Orange Line. Tunnel approaching. How is the tunnel going? Actually, you may be right. It was boring in the tunnel, but we finally made it to a station.
Step back to allow the doors to close.
That's the third door chime. There goes that train. And there goes we. You mean there goes us? That's what I meant. Yoink! Nanny! So they switch. Wow! The train's making an awful lot of noise. That's Elizabeth for you. I came to report to see the bus getting off the train. As we are now off the train and leaving the station. Sorry, my camera acted up, so I had to turn my phone off and turn it back on again. But, welcome to Washington, D.C. Trains again. Wow, I forgot how amazing Washington, D.C. is. Hello, Elizabeth.
hello, good morning.
Yeah, we are in Washington, D.C. for the Autism Walk. Pom-poms. Alright, trains. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. Time for the Autism Walk. Hi, Elizabeth.
Come on, Elizabeth.
I'm gonna get my face painted and meet you afterwards. Here's the actor. How do I
You're gonna
look,
have me
Frank?
soon. You're gonna have me.
Wow, you look amazing. Like spectacular.
That's actually good. Like.
Really? Elizabeth looks amazing too. She really looks like a unicorn. Hey! Silly Lizzie! Wow! Hey, who are those two? They look familiar. That's Raven and Wayne. Oh.
I'm gonna walk with y'all, okay?
It is time. Okay.
For all
Okay,
family
I
members,
think it's
friends,
time.
neighbors.
All right, trains. We rode the metro. Now it's time we walk the walk.
In your life.
See? Let's do it, train.
How's the walk, Nadine?
Doing good, we were going. But man, Lizzie, it's not even a full weekend, and I'm already exhausted.
Don't stop. Don't stop, Nadine. You two, Lizzie. You both are doing great.
Hey, train! Hey, we're back already, trains. We did it, guys. We did it. We walked the autism walk. Me and Elizabeth.
Walk was fun.
Was fun. Now, time to get back to the metro. Well,
How old are you now?
16.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, trains. Back to the metro station.
Are you going to
See
the
us?
metro?
Yeah. See us?
Damn, Nadine.
See us? Cool. See you soon, Raven. Oh, the boy. Here we are, trains. The metro station.
It was great fun riding the train. Oh, speaking of train, we got a train approaching. Over there. Get back here. Gotcha. Got 3,000. How do we get airport?
Yeah. There definitely are a lot of people.
Yes.
What?
Ooh, the paint scheme.
Oh. Then. Oh.
What?
Oh.
Then there was a wish.
The train is on its way.
See ya.
See ya. Sure. Okay, there goes another train. Our train should be here any minute. Here comes our train. Here comes our train. Trains. My train noise? Train approaching. Train arriving. That's our train. Hey. Let's get on board. Oh, that's too cool. Oh, which one? Okay. And step back. Lock up.
When boarding, please use
So where are we gonna?
This is a Blue Line train to Largo Town Center.
Okay, and he's down. Another train. Yay! Lizzie. Next up, Morgan Boulevard Station. That means us trains. Come on. Oh, the tunnel. Ugh. Back inside. Okay, this is our stop trains.
doors opening. Step back to allow customers.
Eat lunch now.
Wait, let's watch this train leave. Metro Adventure trains. Bye. Oh, aboard! That was a great autism walk. It sure was.
For our first time ever.
And now, the autism walk in Baltimore.
We'll have to stay tuned for that. We sure will, Bruno.
That's right. Come on, trains. Let's get to class and see y'all at the pep rally in Baltimore. Stay tuned. All right, let's go, train. Yeah.
Hello? What about me?
Look out.
Say hi to my
Green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All the different roles to play out in the sheds so far away. Down the hills and round the plains, Thomas and his friends.
Again we ride the metro train. I'm so glad it didn't rain. Today we walked for autism, and it was a fun time for sure. And Tom and the band had to come. Lizzie, Raven, Wayne, we had fun, and like always we talked a lot. See y'all at the Baltimore Walk. See y'all there.